right, make some noise! If we want culture back, let me hear you say culture! One more time, if you want culture back, let me hear you say culture! Oh, I see they're coming back. They look ready. Make some noise, come on, make them feel good! We definitely know Winnipeg knows how to get down to the conscious sounds of culture. Make some noise, let me hear this place, tear it up, come on! Come on, Winnipeg, better than that, come on! All right, we're gonna do one more jam for you because we gotta get out of here soon. Make some noise for culture, come on!
The black starliner, just a lingering and waiting to take home Rasta man. What? Get ready to go to Zion. You better be ready to go to Zion. To go jump and get ready to go to Zion. And the fathers, listen what they are saying, what they're teaching the children, especially the young ones. Say what? Get ready. Hold on. You know, I did not come back here to sing. I come to ask if you want some more. Okay. Well, listen. I've got a very old song for you. You see? Yeah. A very old song. And I never sing this song unless I love the people. And boy, you may call the place Winnipeg. Yes, I agree. But I call it the centerpeg of reggae. Now, we are about to big up all Rastaman and God lovers in the place. We are about to play one song called I'm Not Ashamed to Own God the Father Almighty Himself, the maker of Zion and earth. Come, brothers. Hold it! Do you want that one, Winnipeg? La 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 la
means I love ya. Oh yeah. Tra la 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 la. Tra la 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 la.